Hello there, my name's David Hurrian and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about deadheading your daffodils, giving your hedges a trim at the beginning of the year by hand, and also tidying up your permanently planted pots, things like agapanthus that need a bit of a stir up ready for the growing season to come. Hope you enjoy the video. So as soon as your spring flowering bulbs have finished flowering, look behind the faded flower and you'll see a bulge. That's where the seed is forming. That's the bit that you need to pinch off. Leave behind the flower stalk and the leaves for about 6 weeks and they'll help to stock up the bulb ready to flower next year. Now my yew hedge grew really strongly last year, grew about 30 centimetres or a foot in height, so I'm going to cut back by about 2/3, that's about 20 centimetres of growth being cut off the top. Also going to trim up the sides, all the weak growth from the sides, and that'll make it bush out nice and strongly. One proviso: before you trim your hedge, make sure that there aren't any nesting birds in it. Now lots of us grow agapanthus in pots and they'll really benefit if you scrape away the old compost from the top surface of the pot and then replace it with a good 2-inch layer of fresh bagged compost or compost from your compost heap. That'll get the plants growing really strongly, ready for lots of flowers come the summer. So there we are, a few things to be getting on with around about the beginning of April. Hope you've enjoyed it. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe and you'll get reminders of my other hints and tips throughout the year.